Let's talk about what the state of Louisiana is arguing in a case that was just heard at the Supreme Court. It has to do with Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act. And here's how it all started. Back in 2022, the state of Louisiana passed a congressional map that had one majority black district out of 6 in the state. Here's the issue. The state of Louisiana is 30% black. So the district court there said, hey, you got to redo this. They did a new map with 2 majority black congressional districts and moved on from there. Well, then a dozen non-black residents in the state of Louisiana, voters, went and sued the state and said that they were the ones being discriminated against because those new maps were drawn based on race, and the fight was on. Well, the state of Louisiana has been arguing this case. It's made it all the way to the Supreme Court. It was heard in the spring. Justices said, okay, let's take a pause, bring it back, and on Wednesday was the day, October the 15th. And so when the time came for the state to make its case, it essentially argued 3 points here. Number 1, you can draw maps based on political advantage. The state of Louisiana says, look, we want to protect Speaker of the House Mike Johnson and also Steve Scalise, 2 prominent Republicans from the state of Louisiana. Number 2, you cannot draw maps exclusively based on race. That's part of the Equal Protection Clause. It is in the Constitution, okay? And then number 3, they argue that Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act is unconstitutional because, once again, it goes back to race. We've got a few months likely before we get a decision, but the justices do seem poised to side with the state of Louisiana. As for what that means for the Voting Rights Act, we'll have to keep you posted.